Today you are going to learn at least 20 new English words and about 10 phrases that you have never used before. Accelerate is to increase the speed of the car. Brake, to slow down or stop the car using the brake pedal. Steering wheel, the wheel used to guide and control the direction of the car. Turn signal, a lever that indicates the car's direction it is going to turn, so it indicates to signal a turn. The windshield is the front window of the car. If you are learning a lot of new vocabulary, that is great. Subscribe and you can continue to improve your English with me. Let's continue now to some vocabulary to do with planes and flying. A runway. This is the strip of land where planes take off and land. Taxiing is the movement of an aircraft on the ground under its own power. To take off is the movement the plane lifts into the air from the runway. And landing, the opposite, the movement when the plane starts descending to land on the runway. Boarding, to check in and to be seated on the plane. Let's learn some more advanced expressions and vocabulary. So knowing these words and phrases allows us to effectively communicate our travel plans and navigate various transport systems with ease. Common types of transport include cars, buses, trains, bicycles, and airplanes, each offering unique advantages and vocabulary. When discussing car travel, you might use phrases like hitting the road, carpooling, or taking a road trip. For public transport, on the other hand, you might hear catch a bus, hop on a train, or take the subway. Buses are often associated with terms like public transport, bus stop, and catching the bus, whereas air travel is described as board a flight or catch a plane. Trains are a fascinating mode of transportation with a rich vocabulary associated with their operation, infrastructure, and culture. We're going to discuss that soon. Please keep watching. For more environmentally friendly options, cycling vocabulary includes bike lanes, pedaling, and cycling routes. Additionally, trains, planes, and boats expand our travel horizons with terms like boarding, departure, and embarkation. We talked about trains and that rich culture and vocabulary. So here are some keywords. Locomotive, the engine that powers the train, typically found at the front. Freight car, a type of rail car used to transport goods and cargo. Passenger car, also known as a coach. This is the rail car designed to carry passengers. Railroad tracks, the metal rails on which trains run, supported by sleepers or ties. Conductor, a train crew member responsible for managing passengers and overseeing the train's operation. He is also the person that you can purchase a ticket from. If you are into cycling holidays and more eco-friendly types of transport, this is for you. Pedals, which are the flat pieces you push with your feet to move the bike forward. And the handlebars, the part you hold onto to steer the bike. The saddle refers to the seat where you sit, while the chain is the metal loop that connects the pedals to the rear wheel, enabling movement. Gears are mechanisms that change the difficulty of pedaling, and the frame is the main structure of the bicycle, supporting all the other components. Additionally, brakes are essential for stopping or slowing down, typically operated by levers on the handlebars. Let's conclude with some more vocabulary. The variety of transport options available for daily travel caters to diverse needs and preferences, each with its unique advantages. Public transportation such as buses and trains offers cost-effective and environmentally friendly choices for commuting, often alleviating traffic congestion and reducing individual carbon footprints. Personal vehicles, while offering flexibility and privacy, can contribute to traffic and pollution if not managed sustainably. Cycling and walking stand out as healthy and eco-conscious alternatives, promoting physical well-being and reducing environmental impact. Emerging technologies like electric scooters and ride-sharing apps further diversify the landscape, providing innovative and convenient solutions, including distance, cost, accessibility, and personal priorities. These highlight the importance of a balanced and sustainable approach to mobility. I hope you've learned many new words today. I'm sure you have. Let me know in the comments. I would love to hear your progress.